Hi, I am Murugesh, Department of Commerce with Retail Marketing, PSG College of Arts and Science. We have one subject, primitives of retail marketing. So today's class we are going to discuss what is retail marketing, what is retailing, who is retailer, what are the functions of retailing and retailer. That are the important concepts we are going to discuss in this video. Retail and retailing, knownly, unknownly, every day we all are using retailing activities. Without the retailer, we cannot run a single day. Morning we start and into the bed, we have each and every step retail and retailing activities. Even we start with the toothbrush and end with the good night with the cell phones, everything comes under the retailing activities. Okay, now we go to the areas of retail word. Retail is the word derived from French origin. It's a French word. The French word is clearly given that the French word meaning is cutting off small pieces, small quantities, cut off. That means small quantity of product and services served to end users is called retailing. That's all. Now you can get the meaning right very easily. Retail is the word derived from French. It's a French origin. What's the meaning of retail? Cutting off small quantities, small pieces is called retail. That's all. So now we can see what's the dictionary meaning for retail and retailing. It's very important for thing. Dictionary is telling that retail is the sale of goods to the public in relatively small quantities to use consumption rather than the resale. So retail is the word giving the dictionary meaning the product small quantity selling to the end users for final consumption. It's for dictionary. Now we can get some definition from the important authors. When we go for Philip Kotler gave a wonderful explanation what is retailing. Retailing includes all the activities involved in selling of goods and services directly to the final consumers for personal use and non-personal use, non-business use. So they clearly tell that Philip Kotler very clearly informed that retailing is an activity delivering of goods and services to end users. It's particularly to the personal use rather than the business use. So it's a good explanation, easy to understanding. A great man of marketing, Philip Kotler added that meaning. You need another definition to understand it better? Yeah, I will give another meaning also. Keep in mind that according to the Williamson J. Stanson, he gave a wonderful definition. A retailer or retail is a business or enterprise which sells primarily, ultimately consumers to non-business use. So he gave the meaning that providing of goods and services to the end users for personal use. We discussed the Philip Kotler meaning, Williams meaning and dictionary meaning. In all the meanings, repeatedly the word is remembering that selling of goods for personal use. The activity related to the end users transactions, it's all called retailing. Now we combine every definition and meaning, then easily understand the concept of retailing. Retailing is activity of selling of goods and services to the end users. It's called retailing. Retail is activity selling of goods and services to the consumers. Because we know that end users are consumers. So what are the activities done by individual or the business concern reaching to the end users, reaching to the consumers? It's all called retailing. That's all. Now you can clearly understand that. Now you know that morning we start with the milkman. You're boarding a milk now. Milkman, nearby grocery shop, departmental store, supermarket, hypermarket, shopping malls. Everything comes under retailing because every persons are dealing the end users. Every persons are dealing consumers, consumption. So retailing is important concept for everyone. You are from the science branch. You are in the another area. That's not a thing. This is the trade world. We are consuming the product. So each and every activity, the retailer need you. You need retailer. That's the concept we're going to see. That's the importance of study we're going to do. So now we know that what is retailing? Retailing is activity of reaching of consumer, reaching of end users. Who is retailer? Retailer is a person selling of goods and services to the end users. That's all. Retailer is a person. Retailing is an activity, it's a process. Now we can understand that. We discuss Philip Kotler and Williamson meanings and definitions also. Yes, now we go functions of retailer. So, and one interesting facts related to the function. What are the functions? We have 7 to 8 important functions of retailer. I am going to list out the one by one all the functions of retailer in today's class. First important and interesting function is buying and assembling. You know what? Retailer functions. Retailing function. What retailer is going to do? What is the function of this? Is the buyer, is the assembling person. He is collecting the various kinds of the product from the various suppliers for consumers. Because consumer need different kind of the product, different kind of the brand, different kind of the quantities and qualities. So based on the customer recommendation, based on the customer needs, you buying a variety of the product from the variety of the suppliers. You buying the product, assembling. That's the first function. So buying and assembling is the first function of retailer. You ask in second one, no? Second important function is called storage of goods. When you need a product, you immediately reach into a neighbor retailer. So anytime at any cost, the product is available. So storing of product, inventory of product, stock of product, it's also another important function of a retailer. Second important function, storage. So first is buying and assembling. Retailer purchasing product, buying, assembling. Second one, storing of product for emergency and normal usages. Whenever you ask it, they are ready to give it. That's called second important. Third one you are asking, third one important thing is no selling. Yeah. What's the purpose you buying goods from the supplier? For the purpose of selling, right? So selling is the third important one. Selling on customer taste. Selling on customer requirement. Based on the trend, based on the customer need, based on the customer information, demand based, they will giving the one. What customer needs, they are going to supply. So third important function, selling based on customer demand, customer requirement, customer needs. That's the third one. You ask me the fourth important function, right? Fourth important function, grading and packing. The retailer buying the product from the variety of suppliers. He brought and stored and making a own pack. In the pack, he just mention his name or some other's name and keep in the grading. High quality product or the mid quality product, high price product, low price product, mid range product. High quality, low quality or mid quality, high price, mid price, low price. So price basic, quality basic, quantity basic is going to align. That's the fourth one. Grading and packing is a fourth important function of retailer. Now we can very interesting know retailing is the subject. You're going to do the several activities in business platform. You asking the fifth one, no? He is a risk-taking person. His risk bearing is another kind of the one. What's the risk taking? He is selling the goods for credit sometimes, right? So it's a high risk one. We know that our nearby retailer person giving a grocery product to the known customers on credit basis. So it's a risk. Then we told no, he stored a lot of retail product. Sometimes fire, theft, some accident. Who going to responsible? The retailer going to respond. So retailer is a person, risk-taking capacity, risk-taking personality. So that's also an important function of retailer. Then another important thing, something price is fall into negative way. He brought the 5 rupees product, now the price is going to 4. Who going to take the loss? Retailer is going to bear the loss. So retailing is one type of the risk-taking activities. One. Next important thing, no, financing. You may ask, is not the financing, right? Why financing is a functions of retailer? Yeah, he is a financing person. He is financing to customers. Whenever the person is coming for the credit purchasing of product, the allowing. Sometimes the retailer allowing home delivery. We may order the product now mobile. They will deliver the product in doorstep due to the COVID and Corona effects. Yeah, so it's happening on the normal. So it delivering to the doorstep. That financial activity also carried by the persons. So after sales service also sometime available. After delivering, you purchase in the fridge, washing machine. After sales, any problem, just come to the person. They will come and clear everything. So after the sales and service available, it is also one type of the finance function they are doing. Another important thing, the retailer doing an important function of sales promotion. He promoting the sales. What are the product he purchased from the supplier? The product is promoted by a retailer. Two kind of the promotion is there, trade promotion and retail promotion. We have a lot of concepts we're going to study upcoming videos. But this time I tell that, so important products are promoted in a retailer point of view. So retailer is person advertisement, personal advertisement, personal selling, displaying, visual merchandising. These all the activities done by retailer. Is the one person doing a multi roles. So we need to observe the person retailer. And last one is an information transaction person. Last function, information transaction mention. You didn't understand, right? So information means the person collecting the feedback from consumers and given to manufacturer. Manufacturer making some product. So if you need to alter the product, who going to communicate? Retailer going to communicate. Customer don't like the X product, you please change it. Customer like that product, you're going to give more. So this kind of alteration, changes, addition, deletion, this is all customer feedback communicated to the supply, manufacturer. So overall the business activity, retailer playing a vital role. Without the retailer, we cannot run a business. That is a very important one. So today's class, what we discussed, please rewind the portion. We discussed the word retail came from French origin. The word meaning is cut off and small pieces, small quantity. That means retailer giving small quantity of product and services to the consumers. That's the meaning we observed from the topic, right? Next what we did, we observed the two-person definition. One is Split-Kotler definition, another is Williamson definition. So two definitions we observed. Next we discuss that what are the functions of retailer: storing, packing, grading, assembling, promoting, financing, information, feedback collection. So these are the extraordinary functions is did by the retailer. Now we can understand that why the retail and retail subject is important for us. You know that retail and retailing is the second largest industry creating highest employment in India. We have the unemployment problem. It's solving only one solution is retailing. Retail offering second largest employment in India. Retail providing a large number of GDP contribution to our economy. Without retailing, we cannot grow, we cannot survive. So it's essential for studying of retail concept. Thank you dear for observing this video. We can meet with extraordinary contents in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Thank you.